Do you hear that noise?
What noise?
It's a funny squeaky noise.
Shut up, you old man! It's probably that dang hearing aid of yours.
My hearing aid?
Yes, yours. If you can remember you had one.
Go back to bed, you old kook, and let me get back to my Bible.